How's it going, everybody? So far today I've done two full process making 90% silver Texas quarter coin rings. That's these bad boys right here. If anybody would like to see a particular type of coin ring, let me know. I'm just kind of showing off some stuff, trying to get a little bit of traffic to the old website. So if y'all want to check it out, we'll go ahead and pin the link down here. You can check out my shop. And if you see something on there you like, you can use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10%. Morgans and Peace Dollars. Yep, I've got both. Let me see here. So I keep my uglier rings. So this isn't super representative of what you would get. If you'd like a better look at it, I do recommend visiting the website. The product photos on there are quite a bit closer to what you would get. But this is a very early Morgan silver dollar ring I made. So the details aren't as crisp as they usually are, but there's an idea of what they come out looking like. If anybody else would like to see a specific type of coin ring, let me know. And I do invite you to visit coinringmaker.com. The link is pinned down here, and you can use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10% off anything on the store. I make keychains, coin rings, a bunch of cool stuff, so go check it out. Anybody has any questions, let me know. This is a really popular one. This is a 90% silver half-ounce Aztec round. It's been a while since we polished this one up. We'll give it a nice shine here. Damn. That is no joke. I'm sorry. And just a little bit of polish really gets this one shined up. So I've got these in 1/4 ounce, half ounce, and 1 ounce rounds. They're just chocked full of detail. These are the Aztec rounds. They're super symmetrical. Very, very nice coin rings. Very popular. You can get these at coinringmaker.com if you're interested. And when I first started doing this, some of my biggest haters were coin collectors, but I found a way to make them my best customers. So that was a pretty interesting switch around. Didn't expect that. Here's a good example of a 90% silver 1954 quarter coin ring. These have been sitting in a display for a while, so they've got a bit of tarnish on them, but it really doesn't take a whole lot of work to shine these rings back up again. I've got these from 1940 to 1964. So they're $100 each, and they're 90% silver. You can pick the year. Get them at coinringmaker.com. If anybody has any questions or would like to see a specific type of coin ring, let me know. I wonder if we could get a nice side angle shot over here. The Aztec ring. Try and get really good focus for you because these details are really, really cool. I've got these in 3 different sizes: 1/4 ounce, 1/2 ounce, and 1 ounce. So as the size of the round gets bigger, the band gets thicker. So it really depends on how thick of a ring you'd like. These are going to be under fine silver coin rings at coinringmaker.com. Yeah, they're very pretty. Really, really cool. Well, guys, I hope you have a great day. And if you haven't hit the follow button yet, make sure to hit that follow button. Hopefully you can catch me on my next live where I make a coin ring. Need a New Mexico band. I've got New Mexico in copper clad for $30 or 90% silver for $100. And you can order through the pinned link that's going to pop up down here or the link in my profile. Or you can just visit coinringmaker.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. So we finished some Texas ones today. They came out really, really nice. So for the quarters, I can go up to size 12. $half I can do 14. And dollars I can go up to 16. And that translates the same for the Aztec rounds. So the 1/4 ounce rounds, I can go up to 12. 1/2 ounce rounds, 14. 1 ounce rounds, I can go up to 18. I can make them pretty big. Yeah, y'all make sure to visit the website, coinringmaker.com. Use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10%. And we'll catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great day. Peace.